I'm not an influencer and you shouldn't be treating me like one. So great, I make videos, I've got subscribers, people listen to me, suddenly I'm now labeled as an influencer. But that is not how I see myself, and most importantly, that is not how I want you to see me either. I don't want to influence you, I just want to help you to think. There is a big difference there. Let me break it down. An influencer is going to tell you what to think, what to buy, what to believe, and often who to trust. I think of myself as a guide, a mentor, a peer, whatever you want to call it. I'm here to help you ask better questions. I'm not here to tell you what to do. Whatever you may think, I'm not a guru. I don't have all the answers. I don't have a magic framework. I don't have a secret system. I don't have a blueprint that's going to guarantee success. And quite honestly, if you ever come across anyone that promises all of those things, then I want you to take a moment to pause. Because what they're telling you isn't real life. Real life is messy. When you're living and breathing life where you're juggling things, when you're trying to grow, it ain't easy. There is no winning formula. You'll have good days, you'll have bad days, and most likely you're going to have more messy, inconsistent, volatile days. And of course, you could argue that what they're telling you will work, but you have to always put it into context. What worked for them might have been because they were the right person at the right time in the right place. Can you completely replicate everything that they went through into your life and your business? What worked for me might not work for you. What worked perfectly for me could be failure for you, and what failed for me could work perfectly for you. So if you ever hear me say something, I don't want you to walk away saying Imran says this, so that is the truth. No, what you need to do is stop and pause and process and say Imran said this, but do I agree or do I disagree? And if you agree with it, great, but if you disagree, and go and do your own thinking as to what works for you. If it wasn't already clear, what I've been trying to get across is that everything I do is my way of doing things. Nothing is gospel. Nothing is fact. I talk from experience, not authority. I've built websites. I've worked with clients, but I've also messed things up. I've wasted time. I've lost money. I've made decisions that I would never make again. All of that builds into my life experiences. And although experience is useful, it is not the universal truth. So any videos of mine that you ever watch, I want you to stop and consider these questions. Does this apply to my situation? Does this make sense for my goals? Does this align with my values, my integrity? What are the trade-offs or the risks if I follow this advice? And what happens if I don't follow the advice? Because if you're not processing those kind of questions, not just with something I've said, but anyone, doesn't even have to be on YouTube, can be any type of situation in your life, then you are not processing. You're outsourcing your thinking. You're letting someone else do the thinking for you. I'm happy to guide you. I'm happy to share my perspective. I'm happy to say, here's what you need to watch out for, and here's what didn't work for me. But at no point do I want you to treat that as an instruction, as the law that you must follow. Because at the end of the day, I don't live your life. I don't pay your bills. I don't know your stress levels. I don't know your family situation. I don't know what keeps you awake at night. So why on earth should my words override your judgment? They should not. We're living in an age now where people want simple answers for complex questions. Do this, follow this, trust me. And then all of your thinking gets outsourced for others to do it for you, and you just trust it blindly. But real growth in business and in life comes from decision making, not obedience. And we might not get everything right the first time, but we will learn. Experiences, your knowledge will grow, your skills will develop. I learned a long time ago that just imitating or copying will not help you grow. You're gonna grow by choosing. And then you got to live with the consequences. I know that hearing that is going to make some of you feel uncomfortable. What? We got to live with the consequences, but that will help you to hone in your judgment. Next time, you're going to be better informed on what I will do with that similar situation. At the end of the day, it's okay to disagree with me because I'm just like you. I might be ahead of some, but I'm also miles behind others. If you can take one thing from this video, I want it to be this. I want my content to help you see a bit more clearly, but then I want you to decide on the direction you take. Think for yourself. Question everything, because that, my friends, is how you will stay in control of your life, your business, and your decisions. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Like, subscribe, share, and follow. Sign up and join our channel for exclusive videos. Take care, and I'll keep seeing you. Bye.